In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect DJI Mini 4 Pro to Wi-Fi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can set up and use any DJI Mini drone, including the 4 Pro, while connected to a Wi-Fi network. So in this video, I'm going to go through the setup process. First, make sure that the controller here is powered on and working. You will have to use this touchscreen to properly set up Wi-Fi. So once you have the controller good to go, swipe from the top, just like you would in a tablet or a smartphone, swipe down from the corner of the screen. You will see the status bar appear, and then you swipe down again to bring up this sort of command center. And in here, you will find the option to enable or disable Wi-Fi. So all that you have to do now is either tap and hold on the Wi-Fi icon, or you can click or tap on this little settings icon. If you tap on the gear or you go over to the settings, you will be able to find the network and internet category. Now, once you choose this option, you will be able to see the current status of Wi-Fi. If it says not connected, then all that you have to do is make sure that it is enabled, so set it to on, and then tap on the Wi-Fi options here. Once you tap on Wi-Fi, you will see all of the networks that you can connect into. So all of the networks are going to appear. Once again, ensure that use Wi-Fi has been enabled, and you will see the signal strength. So it is going to be determined by the amount of bars that you see. It is either going to be fully painted, indicating a perfect connection, so the signal strength is optimal, or slightly lower. You will also see the current Wi-Fi protocol. So for example, Wi-Fi 4, Wi-Fi 6, and so on. Usually the higher it can go, the better. So just choose the specific network that you will be connecting it to. You will be able to tell if they have or don't have a password by this icon here. So if it has a lock, it means that you will have to input a password to connect. So tap on the specific network, input a password if needed, and then Wi-Fi will be used. This will change into the current network that you are using, and the status will change to connected. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.